How to clean your Google Pixel Buds 2a and Pro 2. Cleaning your earbuds regularly ensures better audio quality, consistent charging, and successful automatic updates. Keeping your earbuds clean also helps minimize damage. To clean your earbuds, first remove the ear tips. Clean the rear vent mesh, microphone mesh, and snout mesh using 1 cup of micellar water, 1 cup of regular water, and an extra soft toothbrush. Pour small amounts of regular water in 1 cup and micellar water in the other cup. Dip the toothbrush in the micellar water, swirling to saturate the bristles. Brush the rear vent mesh, microphone mesh, and snout mesh gently in small, circular motions for about 15 seconds. Then, blot the earbud meshes with the paper towel. Repeat these brushing and blotting steps 2 more times. Dip the toothbrush in micellar water again. Then, swirl it in the regular water to rinse and clean the bristles. Brush the meshes once more in circular motions for 15 seconds. Blot dry and let the earbuds air dry for up to 2 hours to ensure no moisture remains. You can also carefully remove any earwax or lint around and inside the ear tip and mesh area of the snout using a cotton swab and lint-free cloth. Hold the earbud between your fingers and use a cotton swab to wipe through the inside of the snout. If necessary, you can use water to dampen a lint-free cloth or cotton swab. Then gently remove built-up material or scuff marks on the exterior of the case. To avoid damage, avoid getting moisture into any openings. Make sure you also clean the charging contacts of both the earbuds and the charging case. After cleaning is complete, reattach your ear tips and make sure they're secure. Before placing the earbuds into the charging case, wipe the earbuds and charging contacts completely dry. Avoid using cotton swabs, detergents, sprays, or other cleaning agents, such as alcohol, directly on the charging contacts. Do not clean your Pixel Buds while they're charging. To learn more, visit the Google Pixel Buds Help Center.